pressure cooker, top ramen, shrimp scampi. I'm using my 2-quart Kasori pressure cooker that I like a lot and very convenient. Look how small it is. 2 packs of top ramen. This is a soy sauce flavor, but I'm not going to add the flavoring because a lot of times I don't. I only have 1 full clove of garlic, and I was suggested that I wear this around my neck today from Bat. I'd like to wear a whole necklace of it, but I don't have that many. So I'm going to try and save this. I'm going to use minced garlic for my recipe. That's good. Ooh! And a stick of butter. Come on over. This is a 6-minute amazing gourmet meal. You gotta try it. Come here. First I'm gonna take 1 pack of top ramen. Put it in. I don't use these. You can if you want. I have 14 ounces of frozen cooked shrimp. Frozen. Did I say frozen? They're frozen. And I weighed them. See how froze theirs? Theirs. You can use not frozen, but I'm using frozen. I'm gonna take a stick of butter, a whole stick, because I like it. What's the scampi part? It's when your friends scamper away from you after you eat it. Could be. Mmm. This gonna fill this little 2-quart up. Butter. Butter, 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 butter. On these. Wait, let me put the garlic on. Where's my spoon? Oh, that's what I dropped. I'm gonna carry a spare. This minced garlic is very convenient. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Woo! There's a pack of ramen. You gonna fit? You gonna fit? We gonna make it fit. I already commit. There we go. I made ramen already in a bigger pressure cooker, but I have 2 packs today and I want to use the small one, the 2-quart. Normally you wouldn't fill your pressure cooker up to the very top, but everything I have in here, the shrimp is going to melt, the noodles are going to sog down, and it's going to be the perfect amount when we're done. I have 1 cup of water here. And I'm going to put in another cup. You can use broth, garlic juice. And for good luck, 1 more heaping tablespoon of garlic. That's 3 tablespoons of chopped minced garlic. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. 2-quart Kasori. I like it a lot. We have a lot of preset modes down here. You have rice, canning, all that. I'm going to just stop on rice and I'm going to set it for 6 minutes and then press start. Oh yeah, this also has a very nice feature for releasing the steam. See, psst, push button. That means you're sealed. And we press that to release the steam. Okay, build up the pressure. Count down 6 minutes. Alright, it's done. Let me show you how to release this pressure up here. Pretty cool, watch. Wrong button. Oh, isn't that neat? Feels a lot better than flipping around with your fingers, ain't it? Alright, I'll be back when the pressure's out. Alright, it should be all the way out. Isn't that neat? Also a little spoon back here, remember? That's what that thing is for down there. See it? Ready to see what's inside? I am. It sure smells good. Here we go. look at that buttery. Whoa. Give me a tool. Oh. Shrimp scampi. Lots of butter. Let me put it in a bowl for myself. I could taste it for you. Do I want that much? I don't want that much right now. Lots of shrimp, lots of scampi. Woo. Another thing I like about this 2 quart, sorry, comes with a little lid like that too, see? So, you can take the whole pot out, take it to your table, or put it in the refrigerator, your leftovers like that. Or also, you can remove this top lid and use it as a slow cooker. You know, maybe you saw me cook with this already. But I like it. Now I'm going to taste this. Come here. Let me get a fork. You like it? How about some of this? Why not, right? Great idea. Pressure cooker shrimp scampi. Ramen. Top ramen. I want bottom ramen. I want bottom ramen. What's with the bottom ramen? That's so good. So much butter. Too much? I don't know. It's soaked into the noodles. All the butter soaked into the noodles and expanded them. Oh, I like it though. Ooh, it's hot going down. It's right here. Ooh, it's about right where my garlic is right now. All right, everybody. Try this in your pressure cooker, whatever kind you have. If you end up putting 4 packs of ramen in, put a little more water in. You want enough liquid, you know, to get the pasta, if that's what this is. Is this pasta? I love it. It's a delicious gourmet meal. Try it. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. All right. Thanks for watching. Ah, darn.